so nervous. Literally ordered yesterday. I started these shenanigans yesterday afternoon, and I ordered my henna and eyebrow soap. So a little backstory. The genesis of all of this was me looking for an eyebrow pencil because this one finished. This is what I was using. This is like done. There's nothing coming out anymore. So I was looking for a replacement, and I thought, okay, cool, let me YouTube, find out what's the best eyebrow pencil. Lately I YouTube about everything. Stumbled across videos talking about eyebrow pencils, brow tint, and then henna. And I thought, oh, well, hello. You know, so that's how we are where we are right now. Anyway, so ordered yesterday, decided I'm gonna buy this henna because it was branded as very dark. So you're literally gonna see how this goes with me. I'm so nervous. My little brow soap that I got. I'm really feeling the bushy eyebrow look. That's what I'm gonna be going for now. So yeah, and then the henna of choice. Honestly, I picked this one because it said it was organic and it is a very dark brown. That was somewhat reassuring for me because obviously I want it to work. Since we cannot predict the precise color outcome, that's reassuring. We recommend that you do a strand test. Anybody got time? I mean, do as I say, do a patch test. Don't do as I do on this one. Oh, whoa. Why is it green? Is this supposed to be green? Oh, it smells very, very earthy. It's literally just a sachet. Is this supposed to be green? Okay, so this is basically the one that I've got, and it's as green as it gets. It literally looks like green tea. And I have several brushes which I'm going to use to help me with applying. Honestly, I do not know what I'm doing. Between these two brushes, I don't know what's going to work, so I just have the two. But okay, I'll be right back. I'm back. So I put the timer for 40 minutes because I was scared. And then when the timer went, I was like, we can do another 40 minutes. So I repeated the 40 minutes. So it's been a good amount of time. So we're gonna do this, like, we'll start from here for an ombre effect. I don't know why I'm not as nervous anymore. I think I'm just like YOLO. Alright, so I don't know, like, you tell me, has anything happened here? I don't think so. So I feel like I'm gonna leave it for another hour because it does say that leave it on for really long. I honestly think that this dye has tinted the hair and not tinted my skin. I think I wanted the tinted skin look. Should I put it back on? I feel like I want to put it back on. Anyway, we're gonna leave this for another hour and see what happens because I don't think this is dark enough for me to wipe. So yeah. Take 2, take 3, I don't even know anymore. But so basically what's happening here is I've changed my mind. I took off this one. I've got like 35 minutes left. This is what the other eyebrow looks like. I've come to the conclusion that this is not going to do what I wanted to do. Anyway, so I'm just dabbing water on it because it's quite hard and I don't want to fight with it and in the process pull off my eyebrows. So I'm putting water on it and then it's softening up and just continuing to massage that in and rubbing that off, and it starts to come off basically. I want to say it's darker, but I don't know. Honestly, don't know. My eyebrows look nice, but I feel like they looked like this from the beginning, you know. What we're gonna do is order actual henna cones and start again. The reason why I didn't order that originally is because I did not want like a red eyebrow, you know, that reddish brown, but it looks like we're gonna have to try and see. And so I will be doing take 3. Literally day 2. I was getting ready to film another video and Amazon delivery came. Boom. I thought to myself, you know what? I don't actually have an eyebrow pencil, so I'm going to just do my eyebrows, ready to do my makeup now. Anyway, so this has come. I'm going to pull out for actual henna. I think this is black. I think this is red, and I think this is brown. It doesn't say. So I'm going to freehand it because I'm in a rush. So we figured out what color this is, and this is the color that we want. Alrighty. Yo. I will say it's not great that they haven't made it clear what color it is on the packet. I had to do a few swatch tests on my skin, and you can see that those 2 dots at the top are definitely red. And we don't want red. We don't need red eyebrows right now. Thank you. I'm happy with this brown. Okay, this one went on like a pro. Ooh. Now we wait for, it says up to an hour. I am not waiting for up to an hour. I'll probably do 30 minutes now, and then come and remove the 2 corners for an ombre effect, see how that's looking, and see whether or not I want to remove it. So we've got 30 seconds on the clock. Right, so 30 minutes is up. So I put my towel, which is damp. By the way, don't use a white towel. This is from yesterday, and I do not think this is gonna come off. I literally just realized this is probably not gonna come off. But anyway, so okay, I'm actually nervous. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna do the tip so that we can have like an ombre effect. Can you see? Yep, we can see. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, I do feel like something has happened. It's very, very subtle. What I'm definitely gonna do is leave it on for an hour. What you wanna do is press down so that it gets a bit moist. Don't drag it. Literally do not drag it, because you drag your eyebrows out. I can definitely see that something has happened, but it's not strong enough from what I can see. I'm gonna leave it on for a full hour, so I'm gonna reset the 30 minutes and then I'll be back in an hour. It's been an hour, and so we're gonna take this off now. So guys, this is the final look, and this is how my eyebrows look. So I'm currently doing my makeup, and I'm gonna show you a slide, pictures, little clips of makeup done with my eyebrows looking like this. I will say I think I wanted it a bit darker, but it's not as dark. I think I'm gonna browse for other brands who provide actual kits for this, for eyebrows that are a bit darker. And so stay tuned for another product review on henna for eyebrows. So see you in my next video.
Hi guys.